This beautifully renovated Federation home is of grand proportions and sits on a large level parcel of land. It really is a wonderful opportunity. I'm Anthony O'Gorman and welcome to 7 Ellalong Road, Cremorne. Come with me and I'll show you through. This immaculately presented home has been renovated throughout whilst preserving fabulous period features. Offering a true sense of tranquility, the peaceful home is located in a quiet leafy pocket of North Cremorne, close to amenities in Cremorne, Neutral Bay and Mossman villages with easy access to the CBD. So as you can see, this is a truly amazing family home with everything you could possibly want and more. Please contact myself or O'Gorman & Partners to arrange an inspection.